Welcome to ElevenLabs, a leader in AI-driven text-to-speech technology. This guide is tailored for content creators, developers, and AI enthusiasts. Let's explore how to harness ElevenLabs features effectively. ElevenLabs transforms text into human-like speech, perfect for videos and games. It offers voice customization and multilingual support, ensuring ethical use by promoting transparency in AI-generated voices. This tool is invaluable for content creators and developers, providing natural-sounding voices while emphasizing responsible technology use. Visit the ElevenLabs website to create an account. Choose to sign up with Google or use an email and password. After signing up, verify your email to complete the setup. This will allow you to access the platform and explore its features, such as text-to-speech and speech-to-speech tasks, enhancing your content creation process. Log into ElevenLabs and head to the speech synthesis page. Choose between text-to-speech and speech-to-speech tasks. Customize your experience by selecting a voice and language. These settings ensure you achieve the best results for your projects. Let's dive into generating speech from text next. Select a voice and adjust settings like stability and clarity. Use the Generate button to create speech from your text. Listen to the output and make adjustments as needed. This process ensures your text-to-speech output is both clear and stable, enhancing your content's quality and engagement. For speech-to-speech, upload or record your audio, then select a voice. Adjust settings for stability and clarity to refine the output. Generate the synthesized speech, review it, and save if satisfied. This process ensures your audio content is transformed effectively, maintaining quality and clarity. Utilize ElevenLabs dubbing tool to translate content while maintaining original voices. Start by uploading or importing media, then select source and target languages. Adjust advanced settings as needed. Once configured, generate and download your dubbed content, ensuring accessibility without losing the original performance's essence. VoiceLab is your creative hub for crafting unique voices. Opt for voice design to tailor gender, age, and accent. Experiment with settings to perfect your voice, then save it for future projects. This tool empowers you to bring distinct vocal identities to your content, enhancing engagement and personalization. Explore the voice library to find shared voices for your projects. Use filters to narrow down options by gender, age, and accent. Preview and select voices to add to your VoiceLab. This resource enriches your content with diverse vocal options, enhancing your project's impact and reach. Artificial intelligence is transforming traffic management by optimizing signals for better flow and safety. Our tool, Cyclops, uses artificial intelligence to detect vehicles, collect data 24/7, and generate signal timing plans in minutes. This innovation ensures efficient traffic management, enhancing urban mobility and safety. Explore Cyclops for cutting-edge solutions in traffic signal optimization. Thank you for exploring ElevenLabs with us. We hope this guide empowers you to create engaging content with AI-driven speech technology. Continue to innovate and explore the possibilities of AI.